In Tamale, the spirit of peace and togetherness came alive at the Playing for Change festival held at the Dakpema Palace. The event brought together the Bizung School of Music, founded by Mohammed Alidu, and the Rocky Dawuni Foundation, led by Ghana's global music ambassador, Rocky Dawuni. Their shared mission, to promote peace and foster unity between the Dagombas and Konkombas, resonated through music, dance, and cultural performances. The Bunbong Cultural Troupe traveled all the way from Bunbong to join in this unifying celebration, captivating audiences with traditional rhythms and storytelling. Traditional leaders and chiefs delivered inspiring messages on peace, coexistence, and development, reminding all that unity among northern Ghana's diverse ethnic groups is key to progress. The festival was more than a celebration, it was a beautiful symphony of culture, love, and hope for a peaceful tomorrow.